KP22 is here, ready to rock and roll again for our another vlogging for our Ninja 300 that we're going to check today. So let's get it on, guys. So let's pack it up. So here na, guys, nandito tayo sa Ninja 300 ngayon. Ito yung Ninja 300 ng tropa ko. Alright. So medyo maaraw lang, pero ayan, Ninja 300. Nice, di ba? Yan. Malinis naman siya, malinis. Maalaga naman siya. We got it for a second hand too. So, yan, naka full exhaust kahit to. Yan. I guess, let's see the sound of this bike right now. Oops. There we go, guys. And there you go. That's the sound of the bike. So what do you think, guys? Kung kukunin ko ba itong Ninja 300 o kukuha ko ng financing ng Ninja 400? This is for a project bike. This is for the what they call this. We're going to do some project bike, guys. So project bike natin gagawin to, diba? Ayusin lang ng konti, wrap, stickers. So always, parang si KP na aking SS250. Yun ang gagawin natin dito. Sa tingin ko, pwede naman to. Original ang kanyang side mirrors, ilaw, stock pa din siya. Yun nga lang, the exhaust is not stock. So, pinalitan yung exhaust niya. Pero nandun pa rin yung cut-con niya. So yan yung tunog niya. Woo! Ayunitin natin, tapos mamaya patutugtugin natin, i-rev natin yung motor niya. This is how I like, guys, eh. Yung pinakapwetan ng gilid niya rito, yung itsura, yan. Kaya gusto ko Ninja 300. Ninja 400 wala kasing ganyan, eh. Style niya sa likod, walang ganito. Looks badass, you know. And syempre yung tangke, mas malaki yung tangke na ito kasi sa Ninja 400. That's all you know, guys. Clip-ons. So what do you think, guys? Ito na ba ang kukunin ni KP22? O kukuha pa siya ng Ninja 400? Pwede rin naman Z650, no? Yeah. So let's rev this. Hintayin nyo yung next vlog ko ulit. Pupuntaan pa tayo ng mga iba-ibang dealership, not just Kawasaki, but we're going to go to KTM and of course Yamaha. Alright, hi guys, this is KP22. So kanina nakita na natin yung Ninja 300. So right now we are going to Yamaha Yzone Mandaluyong para i-check natin naman yung gustong-gusto rin na karamihan ng mga tao is yung R3. Lalo na ngayon, lalabas yung bagong R3. Pero, let's take a look the old R3, which is the 2017. Dahil, meron kasi na isang nag-offer sa akin, guys. Isang nag-offer from Bulacan. He's a friend of mine. Na in-offer niya na, why not gamitin mo is R3? Total, wala naman masyadong nag-vlog dito sa Pilipinas ng R3. And most of the time, wala masyado rin kumukuha ng R3. Alright guys, so right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Yamaha Yzone. So we're going to take a look what kind of a bike na pwede natin makuha sa magamit for motovlogging sa Yamaha Yzone. So let's go inside. Yeah. Guys, this is the service center ng Yamaha Yzone here in Mandaluyong. So lots of work to do here. Valentino Rossi. So wala ng tao. And of course, we have here the Yamaha R3 2017, guys. Ayan. 230. We got this R3 sa Yamaha. I think gusto ko makuha for vlogging. I hope we're gonna have this bike for an upgrade that we have. Okay, and these are the test ride units. So meron silang super tuner and the Yamaha R15. I click. Oh, motor mo kasi color blue. Movie star. Yan. So mabalik tayo. Ano pa ba pwede natin makita rito? Let's see. Ooh, I like that neon green wheel rims, guys. Like that. Nice.
Mabigat na.
This is the bike that I want. One of my dream bike here in Yamaha. MT09. Neon green rims. Ah, like it, man. Ooh, Yamaha R6, guys. R6. Yummy. And this is the Yamaha R1, guys. Beast. Like it. Super like it, guys. Grabe. Laki ng hotcon nyo. Ooh. Big bikes, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, ganda, Steve. So what do you think, guys? Do you think I'm going to get the R3 or the Ninja 300 or the Ninja 400 na aking vinog from my last vlog? What do you think? Don't forget to leave a comment, guys. R3, Ninja 300, Ninja 400, o kukuha na lang ako ng second hand na R3 na binibigay sa akin ng tropa ko. It's a movie star, actually. Okay, so we're done here in Yzone. So next time, kita-kits tayo for my next vlog. That will be my last vlog sa tingin ko dahil the two brands lang tayo. Actually, three. One is the KTM, next is the Yamaha, and lastly will be the Kawasaki. So that's it, guys, for today. This is KP2222B. Kala ko na bangga. So see you next time, guys. Bye.